In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that's very personal. After a major health battle in 2018, I set off on a journey of self-discovery and healing, which led me to today's subject of spirit art. As I paint, I want to talk a bit about what is spirit art, the benefits, and how you can use it in your own life. Art has been used for centuries as a way to heal and connect. From ancient cave paintings to modern-day sculptures, art can provide a powerful outlet for emotions, thoughts, and experiences that may be difficult to express in words. There are many different ways that art can be used for healing. Some people find that creating art helps them to process difficult emotions and experiences. Others find that simply looking at or listening to art can provide a sense of peace and tranquility. And still, others find that art can help them connect with a higher power or spiritual realm. No matter how you choose to use it, art can be a powerful tool for healing and transformation. If you're looking for a way to connect with your inner self or to find peace and solace in a difficult time, consider giving art a try. You may be surprised. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of spiritual art, such as increased self-awareness. Because when you create art, you are forced to reflect on your inner world and to make sense of your experiences. This can help you to develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Art can be a great way to relax and de-stress. It can also help to reduce anxiety and promote feelings of peace and amusement. Art can help to improve your mood and outlook on life. It can also help to boost your self-esteem and confidence. Art can help to boost your creativity and imagination. It can also help you express yourself in new and innovative ways. Art can help you to connect with others, with nature, and with the divine. It can also help you to feel more grounded and connected to the present moment. Now that we know some of the benefits, how do we use art for spiritual healing? There are many different ways to use art. In this video, we're going to focus on a popular method called meditative art. Most people are a little familiar with meditation, which is a practice that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation, focus, and inner peace. There are many different types of meditation, and each one can be practiced in a variety of ways. One way to add a creative element to your meditation practice is to try meditative art. Any type of art that is created with the intention of promoting relaxation, focus, expression, and inner peace is considered meditative art. It can be any form of art that you enjoy, such as painting, drawing, sculpting, or writing. The goal of meditative art is not to create a masterpiece, but to simply focus on the present moment and allow your creativity to flow. If you are interested in trying meditative art, I have several videos that I'll link below, but I'll go over the basics here on how to get started. You're going to want to find a quiet place where you can relax and focus. You may want to play some of your favorite music. Next, choose a medium that you enjoy and that you feel comfortable using. You may want to use paint, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. You can also use clay, paper, or fabric. Once you have chosen your medium, simply start creating. Don't worry about making something perfect. Just focus on the present moment and allow your creativity to flow. If you find that your mind starts to wander, simply bring it back to the present moment and continue creating. There's no right or wrong way to do meditative art. The most important thing is to simply enjoy the process. Here are a few types of meditative art that you may want to try. Mandala Art, Zentangle Art, Sand Art, or Nature Journaling. Here are a few last-minute tips. Be patient. It takes time to learn how to use art for healing. Don't expect to see results overnight, but be persistent, and you will eventually see the benefits of art in your life. Experiment with different mediums, techniques, and styles to find what works best for you. Have fun. Art should be enjoyable. If you're not having fun, you're less likely to stick to it. So make sure to choose activities that you find interesting and stimulating. Be open to change. Art can help you to see things in a new light. Be open to change and to new possibilities. Surround yourself with beauty. Beauty can be healing. Surround yourself with art, music, nature, and other things that bring you joy. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know, have you tried any of these techniques and how art makes you feel? Art is a powerful tool for healing and transformation. So, whether you do it alone or in a group, go make some art somewhere, out there, and come back soon for another video. Until then, bye-bye, my lovely creative friends.